Hi, Hamish Conway here, former Ernst & Young Young Entrepreneur of the Year and accounting firm owner in Wellington. Now, a question I often get asked is, how do you know if an accountant is any good? And so I've got 7 things that I look at as to, so you can use these when you're looking at who you're going to choose for your accountant. And the first thing is, do they actually have a process? So when you phone them up, do they have a process that they go through which shows that they actually care about you and they're serious about taking you on as a client, rather than being very ad hoc about it, which really shows that things aren't that organised and they don't have good systems there. The second thing is, when you meet with them, what sort of questions do they ask? In fact, when you meet with them, if they're talking about themselves and how great they are, then that's a concern. You want them to be focused on you and asking lots of really good questions that are getting you to look at your business in a different way. Then another thing is proof. Have they got clients that are saying good things about them? That's really important. And because it's not always about just having qualifications. I mean, certainly they've got to have qualifications, but a chartered accountant is no guarantee that you're going to get fantastic advice from that person. The other thing is, have they got awards? I mean, have they won awards? Are they writing reports? Are they people that are doing things for the education programs for the IRD, for example? So they are things to consider as well. Then, do they have lots of useful information? Not just old information, but is it fresh? And are they keeping up to date? And do they give this information freely, or do they hold on to it or charge you a fortune for it? So, but if they've got that information, whether it's CDs or reports or videos, then it shows that they know their stuff, and you can check them out to get a good feel for them. Then the other thing is, an individual accountant can never know everything. So really, when you look at an accountant, who is around them as well in terms of the support team or the other specialists that they have access to, that is a critical thing, because no one person can know everything to help you in your business. So certainly look for a team, and you're going to get a lot more experience and a range of skills. Then, do they have guarantees? If they've got guarantees, this shows that they believe and they have confidence in their ability to deliver. And that is guarantees around time frame that it will take them to deliver, not months, but in days. It should be no more than 20 days. Will they guarantee how much it's going to cost in terms of fixing a fee? Will they guarantee service overall, so if you're not happy, then you don't pay? They'll be things to look out for, because you know if they've got the courage to give those guarantees, then they obviously have the goods. And then finally, use them. And if you try them out on a small thing and see how that goes, and the experience will then be a good indicator for how it will be in the future. And really, you should feel that the value that you've got, you haven't paid anywhere near that value. So, or at least that you've got more value than what you've paid for. So there's 7 things. So what to do now is to go to bestaccountantswellington.co.nz, and you'll find some more fantastic reports and videos that will help you in your business. Thanks, and have a